Hey guys, if you're having a hard time getting good sleep at night because of snoring and not being able to breathe properly, you should really check out this Zyppah anti-snoring oral device. It's really easy. You just mold it to your teeth. You just use hot water and mold it. And it's super easy to clean. I just clean mine with toothpaste, toothbrush, rinse it real good, and then dry it. But you just pop it in your mouth, and while you sleep, it makes it to where your mouth stays slightly open so that it's easier for you to breathe, which helps prevent snoring. So check it out, guys. Link to purchase in the description.